Hello everyone! Welcome to the Maxi Pixie channel. Today we are going to draw and color toothbrushes, and toothpaste. Let's start drawing. First, we draw around the tooth. Next, we draw the tooth's arm, hand, and the toothbrush it will hold. Let's not forget to draw the details of the tooth's hand. We're drawing the bottom part of the tooth. We draw the bottom of the toothbrush. Now we're going to draw the toothbrush bristles. Great! We finished drawing the toothbrush. Now let's draw the tooth's cute eyes. We're going to draw the other arm and hand of the tooth. Now we're turning Tooth into a hero. This is the best part. Let's draw Tooth's mouth and its healthy teeth. We are completing our hero's mask. We're starting to draw the toothpaste. First, we draw the bottom part, then the part containing the toothpaste, and finally, the cap of the toothpaste tube. And of course, we're drawing the sweet, smiling face on the toothpaste. Great! We've finished our drawing of tooth, a toothbrush, and toothpaste. Let's start coloring. Gray for toothbrush bristle. Red for toothbrush. Red for our hero's mask. Dark turquoise for tooth. Dark turquoise for toothpaste. Purple for the tongue of the tooth. Green for toothpaste packaging. Brown, again for the toothpaste packaging. Perfect! They look amazing! If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video!